3 Most Effective DIY Face Packs for Glowing Skin. You may have come across several DIY face masks. Among them, today we will discuss 3 most effective DIY face packs for glowing skin. DIY face packs can easily be prepared and used at home. Homemade face packs can be the most effective DIY skincare routine for your skin. The results achieved from these home remedies are much better and visible than chemical-based cosmetic products. Number 1. Cucumber Aloe Vera Face Pack. This mask is mainly useful for people with dry skin, because in this pack we will use aloe vera with cucumber. Aloe vera has hydrating quality which is beneficial for dry skin. How to prepare cucumber and aloe vera face pack. Take 1 medium-sized cucumber, cut into small pieces, or slice it. Now make a paste using a blender or food processor until it turns into paste. Don't peel the cucumber. You may strain the juice by pouring a mixture through a strainer. Now add 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel to this paste, mix well until smooth. Try to get organic, unaltered, natural aloe vera gel. Your mask is ready to use. Apply this mask to your face and massage gently. Remember to use only upward motion for massage. Let the mask dry for 15 minutes. Remove it by rinsing your mask off using normal room temperature water. Pat your face dry with a soft cloth. You are ready to shine. Number 2. Cucumber, oatmeal, and yogurt face mask. This remedy is beneficial for people with acne, pimples problem. Cucumber and yogurt both have astringent properties, while oatmeal helps exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. How to prepare cucumber, oatmeal, and yogurt face mask. Take 1 medium-sized cucumber, cut into small pieces, or slice it. Now make a paste using a blender or food processor until it turns into paste. Don't peel the cucumber. You may strain the juice by pouring the mixture through a strainer. Now add 2 tablespoons of oatmeal and 1 tablespoon of honey to this paste, mix well until smooth. There are several types of honey available in the market. You should choose one that will suit your skin better. Read label before purchasing, to determine the best one for you. Apply the paste on your face gently. Let the mask dry for 15 minutes. Remove the mask by rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a soft cloth. Cucumber juice can also help skin to get a glowing shine as the cucumbers are rich in vitamin C and folic acid. Vitamin C can stimulate new cell growth, while folic acid helps your skin to cope with toxins that can make your skin dull. Cucumber acts as a good moisturizer due to its high water content. This helps keep your skin soft and supple. Number 3. Lemon Honey Face Mask. The astringent property of lemon cleanses your skin deeply, while honey is an ideal source of nutrition for the skin. This mask has antibacterial properties that controls oil production in the skin. Therefore this mask is very useful for people with oily skin or have acne-prone skin. How to prepare lemon and honey face mask. Take 1 tablespoon of honey in a bowl and squeeze half a lemon in it. If possible, choose a lemon with thin hide. Lemon should preferably be light green in color with yellow tint. Mix both ingredients and make a smooth paste. Apply it on your face. Let it dry for approximately 10 minutes. Remove mask off with lukewarm water. Pat dry your face. Avoid using harsh chemical-based face wash. All these 3 most effective DIY face packs for glowing skin have very good skin cleansing effects that help you improve the glow and softness of the skin. This will help unclog the pores, remove dead cells, boost blood circulation on face, and, as a result you will get a radiant, glowing, soft and supple skin that everybody will notice.